Welcome to Technology for Manufacturers. TFM is the leader in raw materials monitoring for the fiberglass industry. We've had many years of tried and tested experience and proven service. TFM started in the early 1990s with a young man going to work in his father-in-law's fiberglass plant. As it turned out, their greatest challenge was achieving consistent quality, avoiding underweight or overweight products. Their innovative solution for monitoring raw materials led to the creation of TFM. Our monitors track the amount of glass and resin in real time and display that information to the operator by weight in pounds or kilograms, and also by the percentage of glass to the total weight of materials applied. This in turn allows the operator to monitor their usage as they make their application, not after the fact. Our basic system monitors and displays the amount of glass and resin being used, their total weight, and the percentage of glass. Now to this basic set of services, our more advanced systems add computer-compiled reports and analysis, catalyst monitoring and alarms, and gel coat and two-part monitoring. All of this allows us to provide a highly customized solution to your monitoring needs. Let's take a moment to understand how our monitoring systems work. Our systems are powered using a transformer to convert regular 110 volt service to 9 volt DC outside of the manufacturing area. The monitors themselves are powered with 6 volt DC, a current no greater than that used in regular batteries, making them intrinsically safe. Our systems measure glass using a sensor mounted in the glass path. Where more than one strand is used, we monitor one path and calibrate for the additional strands. Resin and gel coat are measured either by pump exhaust or by a sensor that is activated by the movement of the pump. Our monitoring systems are extremely precise, to within 0.3%. In the mid-1990s, Bob Lacavera, Technical Director of the American Composites Manufacturers Association, took a TFM monitor to Dow Chemical in Texas for EPA testing. Using a very sophisticated measuring system, Dow analysts found TFM's monitors to be off no more than 1/10 of a pound in 35 pounds, which is just 1 pound in 350 pounds. In practical terms, this means large savings. Typically, upon installing our monitors, our clients find that glass is underapplied, often down near the 25 percentile, when glass percentages should be in the 32 to 36% range. Of course, this is because a lower percentage of glass allows for an easier rollout. We've had fabricators say they weigh their glass to get a good part. Well, a part that has 100 pounds of glass at 33% glass will weigh 307 pounds, while the same part with 28% glass will weigh 357 pounds. The manufacturer not only gave away 50 pounds of resin, but they also sold a brittle inferior part. This same manufacturer just the week before may have fought and haggled and even changed their supplier over just a half a cent a pound difference in the resin order, yet put 50 or 100 extra pounds on a part. It's well established that fabricators who do not monitor their raw materials overbuild a minimum of 10%, usually much more. In fact, many fabricators don't even know what their parts should weigh. With every TFM system, a TFM representative comes to your plant to help install and train your personnel. We work with plant personnel in order to mount the monitors where they're easily seen and of the most benefit to your operators. And once your monitoring system is installed and your operators trained, we still don't consider our job done. We provide toll-free technical support to keep you up and running. We know that your success is our success. Now let's take a look at our specific systems. Our 301 system is our basic monitoring package. It comes with the same core set of monitoring capabilities you'll find in all of our systems. These include weight of glass, weight of resin, total part weight, and percentage of glass to total part weight, as well as cumulative totals. However, unlike the other systems, this system is not capable of computer polling. Besides the monitor and glass sensor, the 301 system comes with a reset button and calibration box that are mounted on the wall. The monitor displays usage in real time and can be cleared at the end of one application in preparation for the next application. At the end of any interval, Cumulative totals can be displayed on the monitor by simply holding down the reset button. By knowing what weight they should be at throughout each step of an application, your operators are soon able to get a good spread and proper weight. Our 303 system includes the same core set of monitoring capabilities that come with the 301 and adds a remote reset, weight alarm, and keypad. In addition, this system is networked to your computer to allow for easy centralized polling of all your monitors. Why polling? Because polling allows you to generate and archive reports on every one of your manufactured parts. Data that not only provides you with quality assurance documentation, but also helps fulfill governmental regulation requirements. The 306 system includes all of the 303 capabilities and adds a catalyst display on the monitor indicating the amount of catalyst used in ounces or grams, plus displays the percentage of catalyst to resin. The weight alarms that come with the 303 and 306 systems function as an alert. They can be programmed to go off at any predetermined weight. It's important to understand that TFM monitors and alarms do not shut off anything. Instead, they provide feedback by which the operator is able to monitor their progress throughout the actual application, in real time. At no point does a TFM monitor take control of a chop gun or the raw materials being supplied to the gun. In other words, if a monitor were to stop working, your production continues. TFM catalyst alarms have many features that are different from any others that are on the market. We alarm from a lack of catalyst in two areas. We go in between the supply bottle and slave arm and put in a liquid present sensor. By using infrared sensors, we tell you if there is a liquid present. On the pressure side, we install the other component of our catalyst alarm. Most catalyst alarms on the market work with a plunger that the catalyst pushes up, and if the flow stops, the plunger drops, setting off the alarm. The problem with this type of mechanism is that the sensor has to be set at the factory at about 1%, while in winter months you may have to run as high as 2%, effectively leaving you without an alarm. TFM alarms, on the other hand, are adjustable, so you're never without a catalyst alarm. You set your gun at a percentage of your choosing and adjust the alarm to that flow. If the flow drops below that amount, the alarm sounds. And as with the rest of your TFM system, your TFM catalyst alarm is powered by 9-volt DC, safe continuous power. No batteries to go dead 3 months from now. Beyond providing your operators with precise real-time information on what they're applying as they apply it, our polling systems record all of this same information in detailed printable reports and then highlight how a part's out of tolerance.